Stop settling for lukewarm dishes and elevate your hosting game with the Feppo Food Warming Mat. No more waiting, just instant warmth for every plate. Whether you are defrosting fermenting dough or keeping a buffet feast piping hot, this mat handles it all with precision. When the party is over, simply roll it up for effortless space-saving storage. Ensure every bite is as delicious as the first. Tired of manual squeezing and messy countertops? Iconic style meets effortless performance. Experience ultimate freedom with a cordless USB rechargeable design. Your next on-the-go adventure? Juice like a pro with simple one-touch operation. Extracts every last drop, while the built-in pour spout ensures a spill-free experience every time, perfectly compact for apartments. It is time to protect your surfaces with a touch of nature and a lot of style. Introducing the Tree-Shaped Trivet Set, a stunning 5-piece collection that doubles as a beautiful Christmas tree-inspired decor piece when not in use. Experience the magic of ingenious gravity unfolding design. Simply place your hot pot or dish down, and the trivet automatically expands. This ultra-slim, freestanding hidden shoe cabinet is a space-saving miracle. It fits perfectly in narrow hallways, while discreetly hiding up to 24 pairs of your favorite footwear. Featuring 3 innovative flip drawers with adjustable and removable panels, you can easily customize the interior to fit everything. Achieve perfectly uniform pieces of veggies, herbs, and nuts in seconds with the rotating stainless steel blade. Maximum efficiency and minimal effort. The comfortable pump handle knob does the hard work for you. No more sore wrists or messy cutting boards. The integrated catcher cup features convenient measurement markings, making it the perfect tool for precise recipes like fresh salsas, salads, stir-fries. The cordless powerhouse that lets you blast through frozen ingredients wherever life takes you delivers perfectly smooth smoothies and icy drinks. Whether you are at the gym, the office, or exploring the outdoors, enjoy travel-ready confidence without any messy spills. This ultra-portable inkless Bluetooth label maker that fits right in your pocket. Professional smudge-free labels without ever needing a drop of toner or ribbon. From organizing kitchen spices and kids' school supplies to printing business barcodes and price tags, efficiency meets portability. This ultimate kitchen powerhouse, boasting a 12-egg capacity, it boils, poaches 7 eggs at once, or whips up a fluffy omelet faster than your stovetop. You can use it to steam fresh vegetables and delicious dumplings. All accessories store conveniently inside the appliance. This upgraded chicken shredder tool, featuring a redesigned inner structure and a transparent lid. This tool allows you to watch your meat transform into perfect shreds instantly, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. Reinforced anti-slit base ensure the shredder stays firmly on your counter, while the specialized plastic teeth and edge spikes clamp meat tightly for a perfectly even cut every single time. Tired of the messy 3-bowl breading routine? This breader is your all-in-one station for mess-free professional-grade coating. Designed with a large capacity to handle full-size chicken breasts and fish fillets, it ensures an even coat of panko. Just add your mix, place your food inside, snap the lid, and shake. This is the ultimate tool for home kitchens, camping trips, and fish fries.